So I'm at this part here, I'm unpicking it, so I've flipped it over, ground back, found the spot welds after I had a bit of a guess where they were. Flipped it over, found a lot more, drilled them out, and just overnight I hit it with some kill rust converter, sorry. So this was all brown, you know, rust. It was all looking horrible. It still is. You might be able to see in behind there. I didn't get in behind there. But this is the product a guy on YouTube was using, a young panel beater. So I got that from Bunnings for half a litre, 25 bucks. But it seems to be quite good. I did give everything a hit the other day as well. But so even those terminals, give them a bit of a hit, and it should, that might be bronze actually. Bronze? Copper? Copper. Anyway, so I'll continue picking this along here and see where we get to. This was all pitted, so you can see the darker areas. That's where the rust pits were. So I've got rid of all those and it's converted back to a solid metal. How's it doing? Flipped it over so I could see them better, wasn't it? So we'll go back. Aha, there we go. Top section. So I've taken that top one off. I'll give this a bit of a clean with the wire brush. Wire brush, what else am I going to do? Oh, I've got to degrease it and get rid of, I'll put a flappy wheel over it. That's going to be a bit of a bugger to work out. That has to be back central if I cut that out or whatever. What have I got over here? That top one, I just got it in the bucket. Where are we? Can't see because of that's there. I've got it in the bucket. That's degreaser, given it a scrub. I'll hose it off and then I'm going to hit it with some paint thinners to help strip the paint until I buy some proper thinners. Paint or paint stripper I should say. So I'll get into this wire wheeling and see where we're at. Okay, so this is the piece I've taken off and I've cleaned it up. So I've degreased it and then I hit it with paint stripper on both sides. So you can still see all the black. That's where the paint stripper has got most of it off. There's still a bit there. Might go get most of that with the wire wheel. See what I go. How I go, sorry. But I've got to take a lot of this out and repair it anyway. So where the paint is, it doesn't matter. So that's that bit there. This is where I'm at with this section. So that's the repair. I'm going to turn it over, show you the other side. That's it underneath. Same thing with paint stripper. See where all the black is. So I did grind a fair bit off, but some of it I hit with paint stripper as well. The corners I can't get. So now I'm going to work out which piece to start repairing first. Now I have been using a small pilot hole, 3.2 and a 7.5 drill to take out spot welds. I today was looking for the proper tool. couldn't find it, so I've got a step down drill, it's called. So hopefully it's come up in the camera. You drill out, I'm going to drill, probably still going to pilot drill a 3mm hole, then it'll start to go to 6, and then it's 8mm. So it's about 8mm these spot welds I'll be taking out. So when I go to do the one on this side, underneath, more than likely I have to remove it as well. So I've never used one of these before because they're expensive, but done now. Another floppy wheel. This one's I think it's 60. That's how rough it is. How coarse it should be. Sorry, how coarse it is. I hopefully bought the right one. Oh no, I bought the wrong one. Someone might have put on the wrong one. It's 115. I need 100. Damn it. As usual, here's my power with the ball. Hey, not the ball? Yeah, ready. Loves the ball, hey buddy. Alright, let's chop this out. Let's chop this out. Look out, mate, you get filing over there. Stay over there, mate. And we'll make a pattern of that. Okay, so I've cut this part out. This is my template, and I've marked it onto the blue sheet over there. And I'm going to cut it out. There is a slight fold that runs through here. So when I tack one side on, well, before I do so, I'll just bend it slightly. And I won't tack it on at all, I'll just bend it slightly and fit it. Okay, so I've marked a line through here. There's got to be a small bend on these two pieces, and I am doing a really rough guesstimate where it is because the other patch is so pitted and distorted, but I've traced it directly off the cutout piece, the old piece. So I'll see what happens anyway. Should be pretty close. As you can see, I've got to bend it up a little bit more. And you got to try and put it back in the same position as where you just took it out. As you can see, I've just got my line, it's just up a little bit above the edge of the vise. I'm going to go with that. We'll see how it looks. Okay, so I've made my patch up and I'm about to stitch it in, tack it in. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up here for this part of 2 of the video repair. And before doing so, a small clip on the new lower support bracket I bought off eBay through Rare Spares. I'm not sponsored by at all, hint hint, Rare Spares, as I have a long way to go on this project car. Okay, so this is what I recently bought, guys. This is the bottom radiator support for the HGA, X and Z. I think maybe even W. Not too sure about HQ. This is what I purchased. Where's the actual product? Here we go. So that's it there. It's $199 and 45 delivered. So that's the new one there. It's turned up. Rare Spares. Thanks guys at Rare Spares. Roxburgh Park. Really good. It wasn't even a week I ordered it. I think it was like, I can't remember. It's a week or under anyway, so I'm really happy with that. And I'll get the package here. I'll unwrap it and see what we got. Tech Road Express, thanks to them as well. Slacks Creek. Thanks guys, Rare Spares, Slacks Creek, much appreciated. Okay, so I'd like to thank everyone also who's subscribed to the channel, liked, shared and commented, as it's very, very gratefully appreciated, and it helps the algorithm for YouTube. Thanks guys, much appreciated. So this is the packaging. It's wrapped in a plastic bag. That's the product number if anyone's interested, but double check for yours. And it is for HQ, know if it's coming up on the video, HQ, JX, Z, 71 to 80, and blah blah blah. It's already got the nut welded in there, so as long as the shape's all good, all I've got to do is later on when I finish this, drill out where I'm going to put my spot welds, I'm presuming. So take it over to the panel and see if it fits. Alright, so it's butted up snug there. Okay. Now this could be for my welder, sorry, put it around the right. So it's just hanging over a little bit here. Comes along really good. Really good. Bit of a gap there. I don't know if it's supposed to have that much of a gap. There's a gap in there as well, but that's why I didn't. Well, I've still got to repair this end. I'm pretty happy anyway. I'm going to make it work, that's for sure.
I don't need new friends, I don't need new friends. I got Benjamins, dead presidents. I don't need new friends, I don't need new friends. I got Benjamin.